Join us on a nostalgic walking tour of Fürstenstein Castle, now known as Ksiaz Castle, near Wroclaw, Poland. Filmed in 2004, this 6-minute video captures the stunning architecture and rich history of one of Poland's largest and most beautiful castles. We begin our journey walking down the charming streets leading to Ksiaz Castle, soaking in the views of this majestic structure. As we enter the castle grounds, you'll be captivated by the grandeur of the castle's exterior. We then proceed inside, where the intricate details and historical frescoes come to life. Ksiaz Castle, with its roots tracing back to the 13th century, has witnessed centuries of history, including periods of construction and renovation, serving as a residence for various nobility. Inside the castle, we explore its magnificent halls and rooms, each telling a story of its own. The castle's architecture is a blend of Gothic, Baroque, and Rococo styles, reflecting its rich and varied history. The walls adorned with beautiful frescoes and elegant design elements are a testament to its historical significance. Take in the stunning view from the tower of Ksiaz Castle, where you can marvel at the countryside near Wroclaw. Back inside, we listen intently as our tour guide explains the history and museum pieces that are on display. After touring the interior, we take a scenic pathway that leads us to a small charming church located at the rear of the castle grounds. The video concludes with a serene panorama of the church's interior, showcasing its peaceful atmosphere.